Hi, my name is Ian Losch. I am presenting my server project for the backend course. So I kind of started off with this is for the project I did for the front end course as well. It's the back end for it. So I set up 3 routers and a bit of the authentication. And you can kind of see the server was pretty close to the way it was set up in the course. But then I went using Mongoose to create a couple schemas. This one is for a card schema that'll be used on the website. This is for a ballot schema to collect voter data. And this is for the user. I'm using Mongoose Passport, that's the local password, to handle the user and password, similar to the course. And then I'm using the email, the admin, and then the Facebook ID. The routes are here. I have the user router set up for sign up, for login, and I still have some testing I'm doing here, and then I'll log out router to clear the session. The polling router, I basically just have it set up, and the data and all the business logic is ran out of time. So there's that. The cards, I also only need a get because this is going to get pulled from one pool that pulls in all the card data into one place, and then from there it just handles it all on the front end. So it like stores it locally. So that's that setup. I have the server access set up very similarly, so it's not all accessible publicly. What else? I used a similar program to Jade, which is what we're using in the course. I guess Jade is now called Pug. It was noticeable that after updating a lot of the things on Mongoose to the newer version, it functions pretty differently. I mean, I think it was like 3 versions changed since then. So I had to kind of hung up on a couple things. And I think a lot of the other back-end stuff is set up very similarly to the front end, but this is how I was storing my data. So I don't have any ballot or data or tally set up, but I was setting up the users and interacting with them. I got the salt and hash set up. So yeah, that's my project. Still got some work to do on it, but I figured I'd submit it now. Yeah, thanks again.